Today we get to meet Pierre, also known as the Swedish Maker. So put down those tools, guys. It's time to meet a maker. Hi guys, welcome back. I'm Sarah, and today we're gonna meet a maker from, you guessed it, Sweden. This maker enjoys adding new skills to his repertoire and trying them out while building and creating projects. This is Pierre.
My name is Pierre and I run the YouTube channel The Swedish Maker, and I've done so since March 2019. I've always been into making things, but it kind of accelerated when I met my wife 12 years ago, and she's also really into crafts. And what you'll see on my channel is me making things and learning at the same time. So I'm mostly working with woodworking, 3D printing and leather crafts. The tool that is the most unsung hero, I would have to say that's my 3D printer, because its limitations is only set by my imagination, and there is so much you can do with a 3D printer, and I really love when I can solve problems with the 3D printer as well. One of my all-time favorite projects, I would have to say that's a porcelain chandelier me and my wife did. So it's basically a chandelier made out of old coffee cups. And we had so much fun making it, and we learned a ton. And it's currently hanging in our hallway, which we are renovating, and I think it's looking really good. A maker I follow with passion, I'm currently following this YouTube channel, which is kind of new, called 3D DIY. And it's only got about 4 videos, I think, but it's this guy combining woodworking and 3D printing, and he's made some really beautiful things. Right now, I'm working on a ton of projects at the same time. Me and my wife are making a hammock, but I'm also working on this desk made out of birch at the same time. And I've been working on this desk for quite some time now, and it's really testing the limits of my skills, but hopefully it's going to look great.
Thanks for joining us today, Pierre. If you're not already following him, I'll link to his YouTube channel in the description. And I want to thank Heart for sponsoring this episode and reminding us that we can build anything we can imagine if we do it with heart. If you love DIY as much as I do, be sure to subscribe before you go, and don't forget to join us this and every Friday for the next Maker Break. I'll see you then.